it's Jenna again, your local expert in real estate. And today I'm in this beautiful town of Port St. Lucie, Florida, in a Kings Isle community. It is a 55 and over community. It's got villas, single family homes, one garage, two-car garage, and behind me you see a clubhouse. They are putting in a roof, but it has not been an assessment to the owners. They have a very healthy reserves, so they've renovated, but there was no assessments going out, which is a great news. And it's good news because there's nothing is going to be coming in the future. So this is a very beautiful community. Like I said, they have different type of homes. The prices varies from mid to hundreds to high threes, and you could see 400 as well, depending on the size of the house and the renovations that they have. But it's definitely a community worth looking into or checking it out if you're looking for a single family home in a 55 and over community. It is a very active adult community. They have a lot of stuff going on that they offer. They have a beautiful pool. They have tennis courts. They have billiards, card rooms. They have a showroom where they have speakers coming in, different shows sometimes. So there's definitely things are going on. And I was just inside the clubhouse, and they have a lot of people out there enjoying their Friday afternoon, gathering with friends. There was a few parties going in. So really, this community is, you can be as active as you want, or you can be not active if you don't want to be. And if you want to have a peace of mind, it's definitely a really nice community for either or. So if you have any questions regarding this community or maybe any other in South Florida, please let me know, reach out. I'd love to help you. I hope you're having a good day, and check out this community inside, see what it has to offer.